राइट, डॉट नेट में ऐसे ही किया ना, असाइनमेंट हम देंगे फिर भी सॉल्व हम ही करेंगे उसको। राइट जेंटलमैन, सो विल सी रिमूव और डिलीट, विच वन यू वांट? रिमूव चलेगा? हाँ, मदद करो जी मुझे। सो आई वांट टू राइट अ फंक्शन, राइट अ फंक्शन, हेल्प करो। आई वांट टू राइट अ फंक्शन where remove person. So remove person is equal to, so we'll write a fat arrow, the easy way to achieve, right? Remove person. Excuse me, remove person. तो आपको क्या चाहिए रिमूव करने के लिए? You need only the key. Key काफी है, right gentlemen? So we'll try to use the key. Yeah, how do you remove now? कैसे रिमूव करोगे? So here I'll tell console.log, help करो, console.log, I'll tell removed. That's all. Removed. Okay, किसको remove किया? That you have to know, right? So, किसको remove किया? Right? Now, help me. So, how do we remove? क्या करें? I'll do one thing. Let us get all the people first. Okay. See, this is getting repeated, guys. That's my concern now. This people is getting repeated. So what we'll do is, excuse me, what we'll do is, we'll create a new method here. Get people. Make sense? Right? Where get people. So I'll move this code here. थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा होने से गड़बड़ हो जाएगा आपको, नहीं ना? एक मिनट ठहरो, डिलीट कैसे करेंगे वही सोच रहे हो ना? हाँ, फाइल ही डिलीट कर दूं? नहीं जी, मुझे एक पर्सन को डिलीट करना है, इधर बैट्समैन या अब फाइल डिलीट इजी है। अच्छा, हाँ, अच्छा जी, वो लालू प्रसाद का ही गड़बड़ हो गया। लास्ट कंपार्टमेंट ही निकाल दो, तो ट्रेन में लास्ट कंपार्टमेंट निकाल दो बोल दिया, खत्म हो गया काम। हाँ, अच्छा जी, ठीक है जी। So return people. So what I can do here, help me. यहाँ पे, where is that at? Here. I can tell people is equal to get people. समझ में आ गया हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Same thing. You want to test this once? समझे ना यहाँ पे? Understood, right? See, already people.json has key, batsman, and captain. So if you have doubt, I'll add one more. Add who, for example, okay, we'll see a keeper. So after Kirmani, it is Dhoni only, right? So we don't get anybody to that standard. ऐड हो गया? समझे? Just I moved it to a separate function, guys. That's all. I don't know what is confusing you all. I just moved it to a separate function. इसमें मुझे एडवांटेज क्या है? I think I can move this also to the top. एक मिनट जी, please. Just give me a second. Make sense? So I'm just refactoring it. Unnecessarily, even this getting recorded. Okay, so I just moved all the conditions. So, because there's no point handling it here, right? Because common placement file is not existing, I'll get an empty array out always, right? Should be fine. Now, when I want to remove, I can do the same job here. हाँ जी. Now, what I'll do, I'll create इसी को ले लूँ. Others, where key is not equal. क्या मिलेगा मुझे इसमें? Suppose if I'm sending batsman, I have batsman, captain, and keeper. So I'm telling if it is batsman, if I'm searching for batsman, I'm telling other than batsman, give me the rest. Got it? Simple query है वो. Okay. So just give me others. Right? So others देखेंगे. So that is fine. And now, okay, यहाँ पे condition भी check कर सकते हैं. So what is the condition? If people's dot length and others dot length are same, that means he didn't exist. Okay? अगर वो एक कम है, getting it right? You're getting or not? क्या है? Yeah, यहाँ पे see, if it is a string or some other form, everything will work for you. In this case, it is with the type, right? Okay, JavaScript standard है वो. It is with the type. We are checking, we are comparing with the type and the value, both. Okay, we are comparing. That's what is triple equal. See, guys, you all understood what happens here first? हाँ जी. See, excuse me. If I tell to fetch, see, as of now, what you have here, excuse me, I have batsman, I have captain, I have keeper. Now I'm telling remove batsman. Who should remain? Only captain and keeper should remain. So batsman is the key what I'm passing. So I'm telling fetch all the records. See, get people means I have all the records. I have batsman, I have keeper, I have captain. Now I'm telling filter all the records other than batsman. So I'll get everything other than batsman, which I'll save in the file now. समझे क्या? Okay. So now what happens? This is absolutely fine. This is others. Now I want to verify if others dot length, यहाँ पे length use किया था ना हमने. If others dot length is equal to people dot length, अगर दोनों equal है तो okay, could not find what? Make sense? Could not find the key. Okay, else, it's a simple logic, guys. Why? Else we are telling removed. ये क्या हो गया? What am I doing here? Remove. ये बंदे को remove कर दिया. Right? You all are fine with this? हाँ. जो भी है ये बंदे को रिमूव कर दिया, ये तो ठीक है, राइट? दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली नीट क्लीन रिक्वेस्ट. Yeah, filter returns. That's why I was checking for the length here also, no? Filter returns an array. That's why here also. Okay. So if that person already exists or not, I was just checking. It's an array. Here also I'm using the length. See, if for example I'm searching for bowler now, bowler does not exist. In that case, the length will be same for both others in this. ठीक है? So now यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम? Help me. So now I'm supposed to do this job. Which job? I have to just send others inside. This is for remove. Okay, remove के लिए क्या कॉल करना है? Remove person. So remove person is expecting what from arg? V dot only k will send. Is that fine? So let us check this whether whatever we have done is correct or wrong. As of now, you can see I have batsman, captain, keeper. So we have batsman, captain, keeper. So help me. Now I'm telling remove. I want you to give the demand and all. Okay, yesterday you learned, right? The last example. I have to demand. If it is remove, key has to be provided. If it is add, key and value has to be provided. Right? All those constraints you people enforce. So here I'm telling I'm looking for bowler. I want to remove a bowler. Bowler nahi hai. So it has to tell it's not there. Could not find bowler. Now I'm telling I want to remove batsman. I want to remove batsman. Enter करो. Remove the batsman और चला गया यहाँ पे. You can see the file. Guys, it is simple if statement I'm using here. Right? ठीक है ना सब? समझे ये? हाँ. Okay. So remove person. ये तो ठीक है. Understood? How I'm removing, you all understood? Okay. So that means there is an array. So I form a new array in which I eliminate that guy whom I don't want. Okay. And that array I'm putting back into the file. Is that clear? हाँ. सब समझ में आ गया. अभी ठीक है जी. और थोड़ा आगे चलते हैं. हेल्प करो थोड़ा. I'll write another if statement. So I want to list now. एक लिस्ट करना है आपको. Right guys? I want to list. List के लिए I already have this get people. Right? List के लिए we have get people. So I can just use this as it is here. Now I want to loop through the array. How do you loop through the array? हाँ जी, people. Now I'll just go through people dot for each use कर रहे हो, right? So people dot for each. Okay, so we have an array, so we're just trying to use a for each on this. Is this people dot array dot for each? It is just for each, right? For each. क्या करना है मुझे? So here I'm getting person, right? What I'm getting is person, right? ओके सो अंदर जाके मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है. आई वॉन्ट टू जस्ट टेल console.log. What is it I have given? I forgot. Person dot key है ना? Key, comma, person dot value. I forgot, guys. Just give me a second. Value. So I'll call it as PER only. The range variable we'll use it as PER. ठीक है जी? This one I just want to list what is available. So now let us run this. So I'm telling I just want to list. It should give me the entire list available. Got the idea, right? Hello? We just want to have a list. I'll ये help disturb कर रहा है. To instead of calling so he's telling use Elvis, right? Oh, okay, okay. Sorry. Okay, you're telling here. Got it. Okay, sorry. I understood. He's telling, correct. सी प्लस प्लस में थ्री डॉट्स अगर बिफोर डालते हो तो वो पैक है, आफ्टर डालते हो तो अनपैक है. ओके, so JavaScript both has same meaning, right? So that's fine. And here we are using, so here he's telling us to use the Elvis. क्या हुआ जी यहाँ पे? स्प्रेड नहीं हो रहा है ना? Why spread people? I want to spread person only, right? People is an array. People is an array, guys. अच्छा, एक काम करते हैं. No, let me not. The I'll call it as print. I'll get the person info. No, uh, person key and a value, right? Key and a value. We'll use a fat arrow. Help करो जी. Console.log. I'll put key, spread. I'm sorry, key and value. It's enough. यहाँ पे क्या करें? Instead of this, I'll call print. Okay. Now we'll just go here. No, I'm just whatever he had in mind. I'm trying to bring that on top. अरे यार, spread नहीं हो रहा है. Why it's not spreading? So I want this to be. I want this to spread to this K and V, right? Why it's not spreading? Just give me a second. Why is it not spreading? You're getting right. I'm just calling print for each and every this one. अच्छा अभी for each में spread करो बोल रहे हो? No, why this is not spreading to print? Okay, just give me a second. it is not the use of spread. Why it's not spreading? Okay, just give me a second. As of now, I'll put per dot key, per dot value. Oh, that spread didn't work. I'll see. I'll see. I made a blunder somewhere. Okay, so captain is Dhoni. Captain is Saurav. Okay, keeper is Dhoni. It's fine, gentlemen. So far. What is that you were trying to tell? No, no, even the object should be spreaded, right? Okay, that's what I was trying, Elvis. Okay, okay, we'll see that spread. Okay, Elvis operator. So I just simply wrote one print now unnecessarily. Okay, let it be. We'll see. Can I move if you all permit? Okay. So you have list, you have remove, you have add. It's enough, right? Enough, right? Hanji. Update you can do easily. Right? Update. You want to. Update is simple. Again, filter that. You'll get that particular record. Change only the value section. Getting it right? So you have to get the key and the value. अच्छा एक छोटा मदद करो. Let this be. Let this be. So I want you to refactor this now. Excuse me. थोड़ा help करो. What we'll do is I'll create a new file. We'll create a new file. I'll call this as people log.js. People log.js. Right? So I'll move all these. Add, remove. I'll remove all these functions and feed it in people log.js. ठीक है जी? Okay. Can I move? Excuse me, you all are there? Okay. So this is people. So that is, I moved everything out. And next, what I'm supposed to do is, okay, from this module, I created a module, right? I'm trying to tell module dot exports. You all remember? Exports. क्या क्या export करते हो आप? So get people has to be exported. Next, add person. This has to be exported, and remove person has to be exported. So I've just refactored this. Okay, print need not be exported, right? So export only up to this. It is absolutely fine. अभी main में जाओगे. Okay, so you'll go to main. FS should be fine. Should be fine. Now when you go here, let us tell. Now when you go here, yargs is required here. Okay, FS is required there. So we have just moved to the module. And what is that you want here? Const. Okay, const. We'll call it as people. क्या नाम दिया था? People log. Log is equal to, help me, require people log. ठीक है जी? और यहाँ पे क्या करोगे? You'll tell people log dot add person, people log dot remove person, people log dot get people. सब ठीक हो गया? So the main remains same for you, right? Now this looks better, right? So any change, you'll have a lot of modules in your project. So you just moved it out. Okay, so that should be absolutely neat, clean and crisp. Now let's go here and see. अभी क्या करें? List. लिस्ट में क्या गड़बड़ हो गया? अच्छा, प्रिंट इधर है क्या? This is bad. This is bad. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll go to people. ये print को निकाल देंगे. Anyhow, we are not using there. Print its local requirement, right? So I'll go here and have print somewhere here. Print तो locally है ना? That looks fine, right? So I have a print to use. This is our GUI and this is a supporting file. So everything is fine. Let's run. So there you can see print was not visible for it actually. Okay, so it was printed later, right? So print यहाँ पे डाल दिया. So सब ठीक ठाक है. So that is absolutely fine, right? So that should be fine for you. And you just add back your batsman. So how do you add? It is add. Help me add. What is it you're looking for? The key? No, the key is, what is the key you're looking for? Dot K. K is equal to, so we'll add batsman, right? And the batsman is obviously Sachin, right? He got added, and we'll verify whether he got added. So how do you verify? Okay, everything is fine. So I'll just stop this.